Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, let's go on a road trip. So guys, we are heading to Portland, Boston Bay. I heard that they have good food. They have jerk, everything jerk is at this particular location, so we're heading there. And as you can see guys, I started out the road trip a kind of little late because it was raining a lot. So we're currently in Morant Bay and we're heading to Portland. Yes guys, so this is trying to get a picture of the beautiful beach, and the sun is shining so bright that it's glaring out my video. So guys, forgive me for that sun glare in the video, but parts of the trip, some part of it is the sun is down because it's cloudy, seemed like it was gonna rain, and then another part it was so bright where the sun was just gleaming down. I guess it's the direction that we were going in, so it kind of messed my video up a little. But we are heading to Portland. Rain, sun, or shine. Rain, sun, or shine. Sunshine, same thing, right? But anyways, you get my drift. We're heading to Portland to go eat some jerk pork, jerk chicken, fish, whatever they have on that menu today. I am eating. Alright guys, I've been wanting to go to Boston Bay in Portland for a few years now, and I finally got the opportunity to go, and I'm going on this road trip. As you can see, I didn't prepare myself. It was just a last minute plan to go, and we just went. Alright, so we're just gonna go up there, and I heard that right next door to Boston Jerk they have a little pathway where you could walk and go down to the beach and sit down there, taking the sun, taking the beach, and just chill and just eat and just have a good time. So that is the plan. Hopefully no rain, because like I said, it's been parts that we drive to has been raining on and off. So hopefully when we get to Portland, fingers crossed, there is no rain. All right guys, and there is that beautiful ocean. I don't know guys, in the comment section I was told that Portland has the most beautiful beach, that the water is beautiful. So guys, let me know in the comment section if I am correct. And here we are guys, we hit Boston Bay, and guess what, the rain came down as soon as we pulled up in the driveway. That rain just showered down, where the guy came out with an umbrella to get us inside. And we are inside now, and we are trying to see what we want to eat. As a matter of fact, I know what I want to eat, but we're preparing to put our order in so we can enjoy this food. And right across the street is a guy that sells juice, and we ordered 2 bottles of coconut water from him. So he's coming over with those coconut water, and we're just gonna have a good time. And here is my fish in foil paper, steam fish in foil paper. The flavor is awesome. The smell from the Scotch bonnet pepper and all the vegetable and the seasoning in there. The only drawback for me was the okra. I don't do okra, but guess what, I'm just gonna scrape it to the side and I'm gonna enjoy my fish. We had roast breadfruit, we have roast sweet potato, and of course guys, the jerk pork. Yes, and they have their own jerk sauce that they made. So we're gonna put some jerk sauce on the side, and we're just gonna dig in. We're gonna enjoy this meal after 3 hours and 40-minute drive. Let me tell you something, I am going to eat. Okay, and the sweet potato, of course, they already digging into that. And this is a second order of jerk pork. Not gonna lie, guys, it was so nice and juicy and tender. And this is whatever is left of the jerk chicken before I got to that side of the table. And of course, the guys showing you, I'm showing you where they're preparing that jerk pork and jerk chicken, and they're doing it on pimento wood, and the pimento wood give them that smoke flavor of the pimento, and just give that meat a very, very nice flavor from the pimento wood. And the rain stopped a little, so I decided to go outside to video the entire surrounding to let you guys see what it looks like. And we're gonna take a stroll down to the beach after we eat, because we didn't get a chance to just grab our food and went down there, which was the intended plan, but it didn't work out that way. As you guys could see, it was just raining so hard. So now we're gonna take a walk down to the beach to see what's going on. And of course, once we get to the gate, there was a lady sitting there saying it's $500 per person to go down to the beach. So guess what? Not gonna happen today. So we are leaving Boston Bay. We had a great time. Food was good. We took some pork and some roast bread fruit with us. So, you know, it's still early in the day. It's about 1:30 or 2 o'clock, somewhere around there, heading back home. And we're actually driving a different direction from where we drove. We're gonna try to go through Ocho Rios, and then I don't really know the direction, but I know we're heading towards Ocho Rios, and then from Ocho Rios we're gonna take it from there back to Clarendon. So guys, as you can see, the mountain views on the side. It's foggy at this end because of all that rain that was coming down, and just trying to get as much as a view as I could possibly get for you guys to see it. Guys, I hope you enjoy that trip. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. And like I said, it was not a prepared trip, but I really appreciate you watching. Thank you.